Hello friends, welcome to my little world. Today we talk about Messi goals. Messi has Barcelona dreaming of unlikely double after latest missile. The Argentine scored his second brilliant long-range effort of the week. Messi marked his 767th outing for the club with a supreme strike from distance. His curling efforts seemingly appearing from now where to clatter in off the outsiders of the crossbars. Tough finished with more finesse than his PSG strike. This was another Messi goal that would have left supporters in the camp NOU stunned. Had there been any in attendance, it may not win the contest for best goal scored by an Argentine this week, and some will argue it was not even the best Messi has scored this week. But the most important thing is that Messi is producing these moments of magic once more. His goal was spark Barca need to secure 4-1 win that moves them to within 4 points of faltering La Gia leader, whom they still have to host before the end of the campaign. With a place in the Copa del Rey final already secured, Ronaldo Koeman's side are currently dreaming of completing a domestic double. There are those who will argue that they should be considered strong bets to do. With Messi and inspired from they have been the outstanding team in Spain in 2021, picking up 37 points from the last 39 available. Only an 89th minute Cadiz penalty in February has stopped them from taking a full quota since the turn of the year. They are far from perfect, and on another night, Huesca could have scored three if not for a fine Mars under Ter Stegen save to Dini, Pablo Mafo, and remarkable close range miss from Rafa Mir either side of the latter scoring a pretty debatable penalty on the stroke of halftime. But Barca look like they are enjoying their football for the first time in around a year, and no more so was that evident than when Anotine took a leaf out of Messi's book to smash home his own long-range effort in the first half. Barca made the point save after the break as La Masia graduate Oscar headed home a cross from Messi for the defender's first goal in the senior ranks. This was Messi's seventh assist of 2021 to go with his 17 goals, the latest which came in the last minute as he curled in a low strike from the edge of the area. They are not just any goals, either they are goals Messi has never scored before, and yet only he could properly score them. Messi has been the man of the match in over 15% of his games since 10 out of 9 seasons. Do you know how made this man this?